In this problem, car A is moving along. We're giving it speed, has a collision with car B, perfectly inelastic collision. What is the total momentum after the collision? So before the collision, and A is moving and B is at rest. After the collision, A and B are stuck together because it's an inelastic collision. So what is the total momentum after the collision? Well, the law of conservation of momentum says that the momentum before the collision must equal the momentum after the collision. So we're not trying to find the speed of A and B after the collision. We just want to know what is the total momentum. And we're given the values for mass A. We know its momentum before the collision would be its mass times its speed right here. And that's all the momentum that existed prior to this collision. And so that's all the momentum that can exist immediately after this collision. And so we get 41,500, I'm going to round there a little bit, 41,500 kilograms times meters per second is our momentum after. I should have used a P right here, is the momentum after the collision.